What are the safest ways to store Bitcoin? After reaching a peak in price late 2017 and subsequently fading from popularity, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have experienced a more another significant surge through 2019 and 2020, surpassing their previous all-time highs as this has taken place. So to have the number of published on the previous all-time and number published hacking event increased as well, given that many investors are new to the system and may not know how to keep their investments secure. Hackers are coming up with engineers ways of stealing funds. Some of the most prominent thieves have been those that have taken place in plain sight. Some hacks even blatantly resort tokens bound for one wallet for another. The victims watch as their tokens are stolen away from them with nothing they can do about it. Just the way to keep cash or cards in a physical wallet. Bitcoins are also stored in a wallet, a digital wallet. The digital wallet can be hardware based or web based. The wallet can also reside on a mobile device, on a computer, desktop, or kept safe by printing the private keys and addresses used for access on paper. But how safe are any of these digital wallets? The answer to this depends on how the user manages the wallet. Every wallet contains a set of private keys without which the Bitcoin owner cannot access the currency. The biggest danger in Bitcoin security is the individual user perhaps losing the private key or having the private key stolen. Without the private key, the user will never see her bitcoins again. Besides losing the private key, a user can also lose her bitcoin by computer malfunction, crashing a hard drive by hacking, or by physically losing a computer where the digital wallet resides. Below, we will take a look at some of the best ways to store Bitcoin safely. Hot wallet. Online wallets are also known as hot wallets. Hot wallets are wallets that run on internet connected devices like computers, phone, or tablets. This can create vulnerability because these wallets generate the private keys to your coin of these internet connected devices, while a hot wallet can be very convenient in the way.